Good morning. It is January 26. This is the first Packer bikepacking ride for 2025. And right now it's already 6:20. I'm a bit late for the meetup.
This is it, pansit.
Sugod na pagkali. Leo Batan.
Oh, nakauman na lang.
Ay, tara, kwenta, hoy. Ano?
Okay. Asan naman na? Okay.
Pwede na lagot? We are at Kansaga Bridge, grinding our way to Sibulibide Road. Some of the guys are already ahead, and this is the last group. Alright, here we go. Alright, we just arrived in Danao. Time check is 7:30. So we have to take our breakfast here.
Okay. So, let's take a quick break for breakfast. We are currently in Danao. So, our plan for today is to ride all the way to Kamansi, Tuburan, and coordinate with the barangay captain or the persons in charge of the school for our planned outreach activity on the second week of March. This in coordination with Sakapakighigala and Manakay. So the route, we started our ride from Mandaue City and ride all the way to Katmundaan. Take a quick snacks and buy some packed lunch. Then ride again going up to Agsuao. Take a quick lunch along the way and then ride downhill to Kamansing.
At Mundaan, buying some packed lunch and snack. This is the salt, a few kilometers from the highway. So this is going to Barangay Kamansi, Tuburan. All right. This is the Killers Box in Barangay. Libre gasolina. Libre gas ni. Kami anay tulod.
We are here near Agsuao. No? For a quick lunch. It's packed lunch. Chicken and pancit with rice. And we'll take a quick nap.
Mo mga bikepackers, kamista? alay lakad. Nay alay sikad. Kami ni Rio ni alay lakad. Nindot mag-view, guntahon na lang.
Sangil-sangil lang ba? Wala mo si Kare kay nanos view. Pasang
This side is Mount Kapayas. That nipahat and a tree we did a hammock camp last time. On my right side is the Cebu Divide Road, going to Kamansi downhill. Mga break ang sabag.
Ito storya mi diri kay asa ko nung balikon ko ang daan ba.
sakit kay balik. Baliwan ba lakaw lang gyapon. Kung baliwan lakaw.
Kay lain ning daan diri padung kay saka pati man ang daan. Dito pikas kay kuan pero mao rag television.
Pero sakit garo eh.
We are here at the riverbed. So we just follow this river for about maybe 2 kilometers and we are at Kamansi. Wow! Yeah, good morning. We just spent our night here at Kamansi Elementary School. This is the last mountainous barangay of Tuguran. Our plan, we just coordinated the plan to make an outreach program for this. It will be on second week of March. And right now we're trying to go to Mugpa Elementary School and assist also if we can do the same thing there. And after that, go to Carausan, explore Carausan to Tagunay Road and exit to Carmen. That's it. We just left Kamansi Elementary School. We're heading towards Tumugpa. So, early grind. Look at the view. Warm up. This is one of the highlight route in Cebu Divide. Yeah, the view here is very fantastic. This is Cebu Divide route. Look at that. Uy. Look at that. Can you imagine the gradient? Oh. Although the video cannot justify how steep it is. Shit.
Okay, masaag ko to na kausapan o sigo ipamutol na to mga timan anak kong saging ba.
Ito na, nangatumba?
Oo, ito na. Sa saga kay
Ato mga
wala
saging.
na mong timanan kay
Putol
ko
na
ana.
tayo, gilungag na to.
Giputol na ito, gikaingin na.
Di saging eh.
Wala mo sagsag yapon.
Buong ko ba kanag hinog ko yung mamli tupa hangin. Di makaon nga saging.
Kuan ito laki.
Dili ka nang
Saging sa unggoy.
murag abaka ba. Pero dagko kay undod ko. Jak panghangtag saging jak.
Saan na yan? Muna ni!
Ay, ako ni Potdon Big mo agis bus ni Rio diri masaag to.
Saging og katong
Okay raman to sani. Sana siya nga. Okay ra ng mga gabi, mga hapay na. Kay gabi, magtubo man nagbalik. Ang tao nga mahulog. Hindi na mo.
Di makuha ng gibaon.
So we just came from Kaurasan Tuburan. So there are actually two Kaurasan. Kaurasan Tuburan and Kaurasan Carmen. So we are crossing to the other side, Kaurasan. That is part of Carmen. Bilas na eh. It's 1:20 in the afternoon and we are in Kaurasan Carmen. So back to civilization. At last. Now we are back to Carmen on our way back home, and happy to announce that we have accomplished our objective for this ride, and that is to coordinate with the barangay captains of Kamansi and Tumog Let's go home! Let's go home.